Welcome to the Daily Message. On this Wednesday in the third week of Lent, our reflection and meditation from Creighton University speaks to us about being schooled through Lenten observance. That phrase caught my attention because at this time in our history, we are being schooled about penance in ways that we never thought we might ever have to be in our lives. We're isolated more and more from social gatherings. We're isolated more and more from the things that we do in our everyday lives, from going to restaurants to gathering for meetings. And we're even separated in many ways from the Mass, from liturgical observance. And so I just offer for our reflection that we can get through this Lenten observance in faith and in hope, so that when the coronavirus threat is mitigated, we can go on with our lives with a renewed spirit. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a great Wednesday.